What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be planting the Hail Habitat and Solutions. It's going to come in a bag that looks just like this, just not open because I got the seed out to use for this video. But as you can see, it has all the instructions you need on the front and when to plant it and how deep and all your stuff you're going to need just right on the bag. And as you see, we got our bowl. And what we're going to do is we can put rocks in the bottom, just about that much, almost like pea gravel. Or if you have yourself one of these strainers, we can use one of these. I'm sure you can find stuff just like this to help, but I'm going to go ahead and use one of these just because I have it at hand. So all we're going to do is put it in the bottom, just like so. And now that we've done that, I've got some dirt that's a mixture of 20% coconut husk, 60% soil, and 20% compost. So what we're going to do is get that. I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. Alright, as you can see, I got it on a tray here, just so I can use it instead of pouring it from a bag. And I went ahead and mixed it up, and I'm looking for the finer stuff since these are seeds starting out. So now all we're going to do is take it in our hands and put it in our pot. And you're just going to be covering up that strainer on the bottom. What that strainer is going to do is if you happen to put too much water in here, it's going to go down and sit at the bottom and hopefully evaporate. Okay, so I just got it dumped in. Now what I'm going to do is shake my bowl and kind of get it nice and flat on top. Doesn't have to be, it's just my preference. Okay, now that we have our soil in our pot, now what we're going to do is take our seeds and we're going to read the back and the instructions on how to plant this corn. And boom, got my bag here. Okay, here we got the sweet corn, and it says here to bury 1 inch depth and 9 inches apart from each other. But I'm just going to do about 1 inch apart from each other just for now until they start to get bigger. Alright, now I got my seeds. So now what we're going to do is take our corn kernels and put one in here one by one. So what I like to do is start in the middle and work my way out. And I'm just going to take my finger and push it down in there until right about that first line on my finger. And now I'm just going to keep doing that until there's no more seeds. To that line, done. Alright, so now you can see we got some holes in there. All we're going to do is take a mister bottle just like this one, which it doesn't have to be. You can also use a water bottle, but I got this on hand, so this is what I'm going to use. We're going to take it and just put a little mist in each hole before we cover it up. Alright, now it's all covered up, and the bag says it should take anywhere from 7 to 14 days before we start to see them. So stay tuned. And thanks for watching part 1 of the Spot Plot series. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video to stay tuned for when it grows.